Okay, so we're doing some e-bike riding now. I'm gonna start off probably doing a lot of manual pedaling, we'll see. And then we'll use more of the e-assist. Okay, we're going. I had to inflate all the tires. The tire was like 5 psi. I upped it to like 40. Since we're doing mostly road riding. Alright, we're going. About 8 miles an hour it says right now. Here we go. Going next to this park. Going down some hills. Whoa. I'm doing a lot of downhill, so it's going really fast. A little bit difficult to control with one hand while recording. Go. Going over the bridge. Lots of prickly pears here. They're like dark purple, red. Going. Lots of cactus in these trees. Going on this trail. Nice colored flowers. See a lot of that wild Texas rice. I don't know if you can see, but we're next to the river over there. Okay, so we did about 4.5 miles now. If we keep going, the next one's about what, 10 miles?
Yeah.
Okay. That area was pretty busy with cars. A little bit, have to stop, make sure to be safe. Lots of zigzag trail over there. I couldn't record because it's too hard to record while doing that. I had to put it to the lowest gear to climb those zigzaggy because it's scared with the motor assist. Got some bales of hay over there. Passing over this bridge. Desert area here, not really much. Have to cross the bridge here. Whoa. Hard to record while holding. Going to another bridge. Wonder what kind of plant. What kind of plant this is. These flowers are so bright red. Look at that. Look at this flower. Yes. Stopped. I saw those flowers. I was like, "Whoa, what is that bright red?" So I stopped here to look at them. Look at the forest all around. Going again. There's a barn here in the middle of nowhere. How do they get here? On the sidewalk? Okay, Texas Cattleman's Drive here. The different animals. They have a lot of big poops on here. I don't know if it's horse or what. Okay, these are the zigzags I was talking about. There's no way I could record that while holding the phone. Whew. Got this overpass. Whoa. Got this. Monarch butterflies. They're too fast to record. Monarch. Oh, it flew away. Okay, that's the Medina River. Oh.
No plants. It had plant on the cement. No flowers.
I don't know why it's on the asphalt. There's nothing on there. What is it doing?
It's resting. Oh, it's dying.
Oh no, it's getting blown. Oh. All these cactus with these prickly pear tunas. Just went down the steepest part here. My dad's going now. Have to use a lot of brakes because it makes you go really fast. Okay. All these little butterflies or moths.
This is like the 5th or the 6th switchback that we're on. And this one,
If I let go of
Okay, I'm videoing. You can start now. Okay, going down. He disappear. Now he appear. And he disappear. And he appear. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Wow. So this is the thing that we came down from. You don't see. And where I am. There, I finished his slope. Yep, this is like the 6 or 7. That's a lot.
My aunt's coming. I can hear the squeaking. Make sure she makes it down. Hear the squeaking. Oh, so many bugs here. There she is. Cement pathway. As long as I don't need the brakes, then it's fine. I can record. There's no water. It's all dried up here. There's some chimney thing in the middle of nowhere. Why is this here? To cook some cactus. This is the Medina River Greenway Trail System. About another half mile down to the river. Okay.
So we can go to the river and cool off.
Alright, so they have this big thing here. And all these picnic tables, some barbecue grills, and a water fountain. Doesn't work though, because a lot of these don't work. Ugh. I don't think it works. Oh, that one works. Oh yeah, there's also one for dogs down there.
Okay, here's Binh. He's coming down. Medina River Trail be the end of our 15 miles. Long ride today.
Yeah, we're going on this bumpy, rocky road. So the river is really low now. Normally, is that for boats?
Paddling plunge.
Look,
and
can't go over there.
Area, kayak.
There's very little flow of the river. I don't know if you can see it. There you go.
Wow, that's really sad.
Yep, all the water's down. There's a lizard there.
Look at that, they say danger, strong current.
Not right now.
No water contact, no swimming, no wading.
See the water? I don't see any fish. Oh, there's tiny fish. A few. Kind of hard to see. I don't know if you can. Let's see. There you go.
An idea.
The little fish. Look at that butterfly. I don't know if I can get a good video. It keeps moving.
It's nice.
Oh. And they have lots of poison ivy signs. This is for fishing area, it says.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I guess maybe when the water's higher, or you can climb down there. Going back. Lots of prickly pears. Got some of this prickly pear. Alright, I'm playing some dangerous game. Hopefully I got all the spikes out. Let's get them.
Okay.
Want to try? This one's not that sweet compared to the ones we have at home.
Candy texture.
The outside has that. And then the seed I just eat around. I don't like chew it. I just bite and then went up the steep switchbacks. Gotta wait for my dad. Stopped here. Should be coming up soon. Wide open farmlands. Look at that. Almost back. These houses along the road. The speed limit was upside down, so they went backwards. Look at that butterfly. Let's see if we can get closer. Let's see. Uh-oh, it already flew away. Too late. We waited too long. Here. So you got this bag of bones bar. Yeah, wow.
You see the windows?
Just like puking, some green stuff. That's so cool. Horse parking. I got drinks. A band over there. Nigel. And the feet in the. Oh, it's working. Even a Game of Thrones, Game of Bones chair. That's cool.
Put it on camera.
Turned on now.
Oh yeah, then you can tune this in and listen to it.
So yeah, the pumpkins turned on. Now they're off again. What happened? They were on. Okay, so because we had the kayaks, so they made this nice wide space between the chargers, which is useful. They could have fit a lot more chargers if they didn't, but it worked out, right? You can see I had to back in. My camera was facing the ground, so it was a little hard to park, but I straightened up a little bit and then I kind of backed in. I didn't want to do a billion more turns. It would have taken another one more, like driving forward and then backing it in and then angling it. I could have got it more centered, but as you can see, they put this cable on this side. This is a no parking spot, so the end of the parking thing is here. If I park further over there, you can see the cable has to stretch a bit more, but because I could back over the curb, it's okay. So yeah, again, usually this cable you want as close to the end of that parking spot as possible, not like this. Okay, so if they flipped the charger over, it would have been a better design. And yeah, but there's plenty of room, as you can see, especially since I could back over, so no problem. And then you can see there's plenty of room here, but also there used to be a line here, so I guess they repainted the lines at some point. And then you got plenty of room for the next charger and plenty of room on this side. So yeah, we were able to park it here. But again, it varies a lot from charger to charger, from location to location. A lot of times they'll put a little sign in the middle there so you can't back over. They'll put trash cans there or whatever. They'll put stuff in between. So this design, they actually did really well. You can see, well, this line's kind of weird on this side. I don't know why there's a VW bug there, but this line's, they're kind of weird. They're not lined up right. But you can see if you back in, this is actually lined up in the right spot. That one's lined up in the right spot. So they lined it up with the lines right. This side they did this weird thing, but I guess it's fine because you can park there if you want. I don't think anyone needs this much space between cars, so it's good. Anyways, that's it. See you guys later. This charging was done pretty well. Yep.